Hi everyone, welcome to 42 Market Street. Let's go check it out. Look at this place, is really fantastic. And they've got the whole corrugated and steel thing going. And they're just shops everywhere. And all over. It's really busy. It is really busy. It's just like a wild market as we walk around. It's just crazy hectic. I thought I would just walk around and show you everything.
And there's very loud jazz music.
This is a pani puri place. So pani puri, queue out the door. Some places are more popular than others. There's a long queue. No one wants a queue. And across there is more queues.
So over here they're making traditional manioc pancakes and spreading it with, what is this? Manioc also. Wow, this is so super traditional.
Wow, that is a massive bun someone's getting. Probably wondering why there's so many people queuing behind me. That's bubble tea. They actually have bubble tea here, so tons of people coming for bubble tea. There are a lot of tables to sit. You just share a table, sit out, grab your food, sit down. But they're getting full very quickly, so maybe not come on a Saturday.
Wow, that's cool. These guys do jackfruit.
This place is called Sticky Jack, and all they do is cook jackfruit. That is a jackfruit.
You can even get an angry jack. That sounds pretty cool.
Mama Wak getting some Chinese food, and it comes in cartons. This is what it actually comes in beautiful cartons, Chinese style. Lemon taste, it's a bit like lemon and lime. You can get your 7 curries and things here. How awesome is this truck? It's got 42 Market Street at the top, cotton candy at the bottom, popcorn at the window, and Riki and me in front of it. Sultan Express, they're doing the kebabs. Avenue. They actually have a Bullet Avenue, and inside they got, well, the steamers and everything. Le Fournil, which I think is a bakery. Oh, they look like they actually have pies. This is very similar to KFC, but local.
And Zistoire Boule. Chicken place, looks great.
I suppose you technically couldn't call it Market Street unless there was an actual market. They got vegetables. They actually
the price
look really
is not
good.
actually too bad.
55 rupees a pound, so not too expensive. All of the yummy things. Wow. And this is Food Lovers Market. And they've got lots of veggies and fruits and things here. What I love is what they've done. They've kept it in the style of the market.
Yeah, the industrial with
concrete floor. It feels like you're actually in an old warehouse. I really do like butternuts. Look at the size of these. Oh, and they're really heavy. 50 rupees a pound. The meats, they've got a great meat section. And their fish today, unfortunately, is just salmon.
And all Food Lovers Markets stock Waitrose products. Even hot chakalaka. Iwisa. Mini meal. Pop.
We are still in Food Lovers, and this is a beautiful bakery. But what I spotted behind me, that Riki's already got to, look at this. Nuts and sweets and all these yummy things and fruits. I love these things.
Gorgeous.
You just pick and choose, and those are my favorites. Wine gums. Oh, and cashews.
But do be careful, because those are whole nutmegs.
Riki's favorite. Potatoes.
Yeah. And they're under 50 rupees a packet. There's not going to be any left though, so don't
Yeah, don't bother, they're all gone already. Well, we're up above the market. Actually, you can check out the whole market from up here. Riki will get that footage because the music's just started. Bali Cravings by Lexia. How beautiful that is with the cold straw and the flour. Wow, that looks so beautiful. It actually it feels a little bit Bolognese. Bolognese, can you say? And a black pineapple. How cool. Wow, have a look at this. This looks like, I think it's sushi, not 100% sure. But what I just spotted over here, and this place is incredible. My mouth is watering so much, guys. I'm so sorry. But wow, what a fantastic thing. And look, you actually get to sit on the floor. So it's really traditional. And hidden just around the corner is a self-care welcome center.
And apart from the food, you've also got other stores. So there's even a nail bar where you can get your nails done.
42 Market Street. It is busy, it is hectic. Come down here if you want to see it. It's 42 Market Street. It actually turned into a place. Anyway guys, that was it, a quick sneak peek. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.